science experiment. My experiment is to make the egg float in the water. We need an empty glass and egg, and we need a water bottle, and a car is just seeing our experiment. So crazy it is. Pour the water in the glass. Did you know the egg will float? Let's see. Oh, it sinks. Did you know why it sank? Because the density of egg is more than the water. Did you know how to make the egg float? We need to put salt in it. Water. Well, already I just poured some salt. Now we are mixing it. Mix. Oh, just singing the song. We all mixed the salt and water. Now we're ready. Are you ready? Oh, it floats! Do you see it? It likes to float. It floats. Hey, it didn't float. By adding salt water, we made the density of water more. That's why it is floating. I like it. Okay.
Start.
If you like my video, please subscribe, like, and say